Hello guys, what I'm gonna show you today is how you can publish a Lovable AI code to Hostinger, and this is gonna be actually, a two-step process. First of all, what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to download your web page. As you can see, I have one Lovable web page in here, as I showed you in our previous tutorials. Okay, and the first thing that you have to do is you have to export it to GitHub. This is gonna allow you to download it to your local PC as a folder, and then upload it to Hostinger. So what are you gonna do, guys? You're just gonna come to this little button here that says build your project in GitHub, and then you're gonna click on connect. It's gonna say something like connect in here. So you're just gonna click on connect. Now once you connect, you're gonna be able to access this through here, and then the GitHub folder repository is gonna open. It's gonna look like this. Now what I want to do is I want to go to code in here and download zip, and this is going to download all of these files here, as you can see. Okay, so this is going to download. This is going to be like a zip folder that you're going to have to extract later. So what are you going to do, guys? You're just going to come to your Hostinger file manager, and how are you going to do this is by going to the dashboard and overview and then file manager, and then this is going to open and you can just upload the folder. Okay, so yeah, just decompress the folder and upload it in here, and you're gonna have your project uploaded to Hostinger. Thank you so much, guys.